food enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving 3 barley recipes for weight loss, so let's get started. Wait, before starting barley recipe video, we introduce you with alpha-liin, which will help you to lose weight naturally. For more details, click the link in the video description below. Recipe 3. Barley and spinach salad. We're kicking things off with a refreshing barley and spinach salad that's both light and lovely. In a bowl, combine cooked pearl barley, fresh baby spinach leaves, halved cherry tomatoes, diced cucumber, thinly sliced red onion, and crumbled feta cheese. Drizzle with olive oil and balsamic vinegar dressing, and season with salt and black pepper to taste. Add optional protein like grilled shrimp or chickpeas for an extra boost. It's a refreshing and nutrient-rich salad that's perfect for a light and healthy lunch. Recipe 2. Barley and lentil soup. Let's move on to a comforting barley and lentil soup that's not only filling but also fantastic for weight loss. In a large pot, saute chopped onion, carrots, celery, and minced garlic until they're tender. Add rinsed green or brown lentils, cooked pearl barley, low-sodium vegetable broth, and your choice of Italian herbs and bay leaves for seasoning. Simmer until the lentils are tender and the soup thickens slightly. Garnish with fresh parsley leaves if you like. It's a hearty and protein-packed soup that's perfect for a cozy meal. Get this amazing product. Click the link in the description below. Recipe 1. Barley and vegetable stir-fry. Let's wrap up with a barley and vegetable stir-fry that's both satisfying and packed with goodness. In a hot skillet or wok, sauté minced garlic until fragrant. Add chopped assorted vegetables and cook until they're tender crisp. Stir in cooked pearl barley, low-sodium soy sauce or tamari, sesame oil, and a pinch of red pepper flakes for extra flavor. Add optional protein like tofu or grilled chicken breast for a complete meal. It's a flavorful and fiber-rich stir-fry that's perfect for a nutritious dinner. Ready to shed those extra pounds? Get alpha-liin? Click the link in the video description below. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more healthy living tips and recipes. We'll see you in the next video!